How to create an A+ heading guideline and configure boundary warning. 4 large, regular-shaped fields. Conventional guideline creation still consumes significant resources and time. However, AutoSteer System's A+ heading feature enables you to create guideline more efficiently and establish A+ borders during working, substantially boosting your work efficiency. Additionally, the boundary warning feature also helps you work more safely. How to create an A+ heading guideline. First, drive the vehicle to the starting point of the work direction. Then click the guideline icon in the main interface. Choose the A+ heading to enter the guideline creation interface. Click the A icon in the bottom right corner. After confirming the guideline direction and ensuring the vehicle is stationary, you can manually input azimuth angle or tap get angle to obtain real-time angle. When you're done, click Apply to finish creating the A+ heading guideline. How to create an A+ border. Click Add Border 1 at the starting position to create the start border. After reaching the end point, completing the turn, and adjusting the vehicle's direction, click Add Border 2 to create the end border. How to configure the boundary warning feature. After creating 2 borders, click the menu icon in the bottom left corner of the main interface to enter the setting. Then select Warning to configure your preferences. First, enable the alarm feature. Then you can activate the boundary warning feature and set the warning distance. Once completed, you can return to your work. When the vehicle approaches within the set distance of the boundary, the system will emit an audible warning to prompt you to take the next action. Master these settings and start your farming operations with greater efficiency and safety today.